So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this KastKing Hammer FFS, the non-carrier micro-filament natural density braid. So this is a 15-pound braid, 300 yards. It's 8 mono equivalent. So, you know, I guess it's an 8-pound mono equivalent, which is pretty small if you look at it. Looking over the strength force here in pounds, this is 15 pounds, correct, and it's 0.004 inches, which diameter is 0.10 inches. Let's just open it up and let's take a look at it here. I think we open it up on the side. Oh, this looks good. It's a nice green color. Look at this braid. That is a very clean looking braid. It's like a light green top color. It's got zero stretch to it. It's got a natural density. And this is 300 yards here. Now I do have a rod here, a bait caster rod that's got some old braid on it. Every now and then, about every season, I kind of redo my braid because it starts fraying up and it starts getting kind of like at the point of about to break. So let's go ahead, let's put it on the reel here and see what it looks like on the reel. So we can do that now. Okay, here we are, everybody. So I'm gonna put this braid to the test. So this is this KastKing braid. I just loaded it all on there and I've got a spinner on here. We'll adjust it just a little bit, tighten that up. I don't see any issues with that. One thing I found out with this braid though, when you play with it a lot like that, the green actually comes off a little bit. I think we got it right there. All right, let's go ahead. Let's cast it out through there. Oh, that was nice. That was a good cast. Now I know there's logs down there, so I don't want it to sink. If I'm just gonna let it roll just like that. It's kind of hard to describe like fishing line. I know that's kind of like a hard video to make, but I'm just gonna do the best I can for you guys. All I can talk about is the castability, which is more on the reel than the line, but you can see how nicely that line looks down in there, how clean that looks on the retrieval. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good braid for the season. I'm gonna put this on my other bait caster also. Everybody, I don't see any issues at all with this KastKing Hammer FFS braid right here. I think this is gonna be good stuff for the rest of the year. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing, you know, hammer braid. See y'all in the next video.